Hi, I'm Dr. Shivadev, Psychiatrist and Sexual Health Specialist. I have about 16 years of experience in dealing with psychosexual health and mental health too. My clinic is in Koramangala. I'm a co-founder of PassionFruit Top-Notch Wellness. Sexual hygiene is very important to maintain because there's a lot of risk of infections if not maintained well. In men, common infections can be balanitis, recurrent preputial infections, UTIs as well. In women, because of poor hygiene, there can be a lot of yeast infections, bacterial vaginosis, and recurrent urinary tract infections too. Sexual hygiene is also important for enjoying sexual activity. Imagine if you or your partner want to have an oral sex or intimacy and there's a lot of sensory overload because of the infections itself, you don't feel safe or comfortable engaging in it. Instead of arousal signals, you'll definitely have a lot of suppression signals because of which you're not able to enjoy the sexual intimacy. And if communication is not a part of the ordeal between the couples, this can actually lead to sexual dysfunctions too, because you're not willing to communicate that this partner has this problem, and you are also wondering if at all my sexual hygiene is okay or not. Thereby, even when your partner is giving you oral sex or receiving oral sex, it can lead to a lot of conflicting thoughts. So sexual hygiene, when maintained, can lead to a lot of comfort, confidence, and mutually enjoying sexual experiences, not only about infections, but also about enjoying it too. Some people are more fussed about hygiene because of their psychological aspects, such as obsessive compulsiveness, or maintaining that extra bit of cleanliness is important. So these people, even though there is hygiene, they may have a perceived sense of disinfections or hygiene problems, thereby leading to discomfort within themselves when they're enjoying sexual intimacy too. So depending on where you are on the spectrum, please realize how important sexual hygiene is and why it should be followed. If you ask me, what are the ways in which you need to maintain the hygiene? It is a very simple process. You do not have to use a lot of these fancy things, just regular warm water wash, not internal douching, vaginal douching, which some women do, leading to destruction or destroying the internal bacteria, which are important for maintaining your pH balance. So pH is everything. Don't overdo the hygiene part of it. Don't use chemicals or soaps or harsh soaps because they destroy the internal pH and the bacteria, leading to bacterial vaginosis. And this becomes a cycle in a lot of people. They're over cleaning, causing disruption of pH, thereby causes more hygiene issues, and they think that they're not clean enough and start overdoing it again. Some of the good practices before sexual experiences and after sexual experiences are important from hygiene perspective. Before entering into sexual activity, ensure that you're washing up the genitals, so make it comfortable for yourself and also your partner. Post-sexual experiences, ensure you're urinating and flushing out the bacteria, and give it a good thorough wash can help you to prevent further infections too. People are using a lot of sex toys today's life, so it is important to maintain hygiene when you're using sex toys as well, because not properly washing it with soap and water and storing them safely in a proper place can lead to infections when you're using it internally. So ensure that you're washing your sex toys regularly and thoroughly before and after use as well, to ensure there is hygiene and normal pH maintained in your systems.